Alright, this is the quick video for angle side congruence. This is the fourth type of congruence. Okay? Now, in its name, just like the other three, it tells us what we need to have to show congruence to two triangles. An angle, and a side. Now, it's very similar to angle, side, angle, and a lot of people get the two of them confused. There's one major difference, though. Okay? And you can tell by looking at the name. Here's angle, side, angle congruence. And here's what we're going to talk about right now. Angle, side. Notice the difference is where the S is located, where the side is. Okay? For this type of congruence, angle, side, angle, we said that the side needed to be between the two angles. It has to touch both angles. Okay? For this type of congruence we're going to talk about right now, angle, side congruence, the S is outside. So the side is not between the two angles. It's only going to touch one of the angles. And that's the big difference. That's how you can tell from looking at a picture. Okay? So we need to show two angles and a side not between them. That's the important part. And now another way of thinking of that is that the side touches one angle. Only one angle, okay? Angle, side, angle, with the S between them, touches both angles. The side touches both angles. Here in this congruence, AAS, the side only touches one. So two angles and a side not between them of the first triangle correspond in our congruent to two angles and a side not between them of the second triangle. So let's label that in our picture. We need to have two angles, first of all, that correspond with each other. So let's pick this small angle. That can be any two angles, it doesn't matter. And this angle up top. Alright, now the side, remember, can't be between the two angles. So it cannot be this side here. Because then it would be between the two angles. That's ASA congruence. For angle, side, it can be either of the other two, as long as it only touches one angle. So let's pick this side here, the one on the bottom. Now that works because it's only touching this angle, okay? We could have picked the other side, and it would still just be touching one angle, and that's fine. That's what we have to have. So let's recap. Angle, side congruence. The side is not between the two angles. It only touches one of the angles, the side. Okay? So you need two angles and a side not between them for both triangles, and they have to correspond and match up with the second triangle. And again, that side cannot be between the two angles. It can only touch one of the angles.